Welcome to your private lakefront retreat on the peaceful shores of Lake Palestine, located just minutes from Chandler, Texas. This incredible 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is a rare find, offering the perfect mix of resort-style amenities, modern comfort, and unbeatable views of open water. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel the peace and privacy that only lake living can provide. Step out to your backyard and take in the scenery. Sparkling water, clear skies, and a sense of calm that instantly melts away the stress of the day. Whether it's your weekend escape or full-time residence, this home delivers a one-of-a-kind lifestyle that's hard to match. The brand new Gunite pool and built-in hot tub are perfect for enjoying warm Texas afternoons or evening swims under the stars. Surrounding it all is a large patio, designed for both relaxation and entertaining. It's the kind of space where memories are made, from summer cookouts to cozy sunset conversations. For those who love outdoor living, the fully equipped outdoor kitchen makes it easy to host gatherings with friends and family. Grill your favorite meals, serve drinks by the pool, and let the lake breeze set the mood. And just steps away, your custom boathouse offers everything you need for life on the water. It features an electric boat lift, dual jet ski lift, paddle boat kayak ramp, and multiple entertaining areas, including an open sun deck, shaded lounging space, and even an enclosed 12 by 12 room with a serving bar. It's the perfect setup for weekend fun or peaceful mornings on the dock. The newly installed bulkhead adds both beauty and protection to the shoreline, giving you peace of mind and long-term value. Inside the home, you'll find warm, welcoming touches throughout, like the stone wood-burning fireplace in the family room, perfect for cooler evenings with loved ones. The layout features a formal dining room, a cozy breakfast nook, and a breakfast bar for quick meals or casual conversations. The split-bedroom design offers added privacy in the spacious primary suite, while the additional bedrooms are perfect for guests' kids or a home office. There's also a dedicated office space for those working from home or needing a quiet retreat. Living on Lake Palestine near Chandler means more than just owning a beautiful home. It means enjoying the benefits of a relaxed outdoor lifestyle. You're minutes from local shops and restaurants, with quick access to Tyler and surrounding East Texas towns. Enjoy fishing, boating, kayaking, and peaceful nature all around you. It's a place where neighbors wave hello and the pace of life just feels better. Whether you're watching wildlife in the mornings, cruising the lake in the afternoon, or relaxing under the stars at night, this home is built for enjoying everything. Lakefront Living in Chandler, Texas has to offer. Interested in a private showing? Call Charlene Hall, your East Texas realtor with Palestine Realty today at 903-724-2338. Let's find your perfect lakefront lifestyle and make it yours.